So it's finally time to add more stuff to the PC build. Now you guys have already seen the Beast 2.0, which is our mini monster that you see over here. If you haven't seen this video, you should go back and click on the top right where the little bug is, or you can go look at it in the description. You can also find it on our channel. So Beast 2.0 was done a while back. Now I want to show you the monitor that I want to use for the setup and also the upgrades that I was talking about earlier. So the first upgrade is going to be the Kingston Renegade SSD. Now this is a NVMe SSD, but this is a PCIe Gen 4. So you get really fast read-write speeds. This one's rated for a 7300 megabytes per second of reads, which is absolutely insane. And this is also 2 terabytes. So that's a lot of storage going into the main. And then I do have a single 1 terabyte drives that I used previously, which I will use as backups and additional storage. They're actually slower. So they're the previous gen. This one is awesome. And this is from Kingston, so you get really good warranty and service as well. So last time we popped in our old DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM. Even though it's CL16 and RGB, it's still slower for what we want to do with it. So we got the 3600 megahertz RAM. Now this is also a 32 gigabyte single DIMM. So we've got 2 of these. So it gives us a total of 64 gigabytes since we only have 2 slots on this motherboard that we are using. This makes for more, not only RAM, but also faster speeds if you can get the right profile set. So both of these things from Kingston, really cool hardware. I wish they had a RGB version of this. They don't at the moment, but definitely a worthy upgrade for the machine. And if you guys are interested in these, I'll leave links to whatever is available because finding these was difficult in itself. But if some of this stuff is available, I'll leave links in the description below. Now let's talk about the monitor. The monitor is an LG Ergo. This is a 32-inch color calibrated monitor, which is designed for primarily all sorts of usage. It does have a built-in game mode, but this is 4K 60 FPS, 32 inches. It's not a fast gaming monitor, so you're not getting a refresh rate of 144 Hertz or even 240 Hertz. So this might become my secondary monitor because the benefit of this is that this has an ergo stand, so you can move it around, you can bring it up and down, and you can also turn it into a vertical format. And with that, this can actually become a really cool monitor for looking at other stuff if I do decide to become a streamer. Now, if you guys want to check out me gaming in the future, leave a comment in the comment section below because I really want to try and do some streaming in the future. And this will become my streaming setup. So this monitor, like I said, is 4K 60 Hertz, but the benefit of this is the ergo stands. So these stands can be really expensive in themselves. They come with the monitor. The monitor is also pretty pricey. So the 32 inch is about 56,000 rupees at MRP. But usually it's out of stock because of the whole work from home thing. A lot of people have bought this monitor. It's great for doing multiple things because the screen size is so big. And also because you can move it around, it makes for a really nice ergonomic monitor. It's got lots of inputs, so you can have multiple things connected, and that's the intention. So I'll have both my streaming machine and my main gaming machine connected to this, and also take an output from my editing machine onto this. So there'll be a bunch of things connected to this. So I don't know if this will become the final gaming monitor, but it's definitely a added monitor to the main final desk setup. And also this case is not really doing its job right, and it's not really keeping up with some of the stuff that we want to put inside the Beast 2.0. So we'll be changing out the case as well, and I've got a really cool case on the way. So a few upgrades left. We've got most of the stuff. You still have to check out our keyboard and mouse, and boy, they're doozies. And we've also got a really cool setup for the desk as well as the chair, which I've been using for almost a month now. It's one of the best chairs that you can basically get for any kind of gaming or work from home or streaming setup. I press the right click there. But if you have any guesses on what that combo is, we'll have a little sneak peek for you on the screen right now. If you have any guesses, do drop the comments in the comment section below, and you could win some iGyaan merch. But that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. We've already made this PC and done the build already. So if you want to go check out the parts for this, go check out our previous video for this series, as well as the future videos are going to include some of the new stuff that we're going to be adding, the keyboard, mouse, the desk setup, and the overall final gaming room setup as well. So if you guys are excited for that, do drop your comments in the comment section below. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.